Mayday, Mayday, Mayday. Emirates 229 Heavy. We have Mayday fuel and we require runway 08 right.
Okay, I checked the Mayday Emirates. This plan runway 08 right, and I'll have the vector for you very shortly here.
Emirates 229 Heavy, thank you.
And Emirates 229, are you in need of immediate landing?
Affirmative, Emirates 229 Heavy.
Okay, would you like to land at Victoria Airport? It's about 10-15 miles closer.
Negative, we are set up for Vancouver, we'll go to Vancouver.
Okay, thanks. Emirates 229, I just want to be clear here. I can offer you either Abbotsford Airport, Victoria Airport. They are both a little closer, and they both have east-west runways, and either that or you can continue with Vancouver.
It's going to be Vancouver for us, Emirates 229. Thanks for the offer.
Okay, Vancouver it is. Emirates 229, can I get, when you get a minute, please, your souls on board and fuel?
Stand by.
Okay, Emirates 229, just want to verify. 367 souls on board, 367, and 1/2 hour fuel.
It's 367 and fuel is half an hour, 30 minutes.
Emirates 229, contact arrival frequency now, 1331.
1331, Emirates 229. Arrival, Emirates 229, we have Mayday, Emirates 229, heavy descending 5000 for red vector 08 right.
Emirates 229, heavy Vancouver arrival, check the Mayday, sir, descend and maintain 3000.
Descend and maintain altitude 3000, Emirates 229.
The intercept, cleared ILS approach, runway 08 right.
Right heading 060 and cleared ILS approach runway 08 right, Emirates 229.